Hey everyone, I got this 3M Scotch brand double-sided tape, so let's check it out. It can hold up to 6.7 kg of weight without any screw, and this is 1.5 meter tape. MRP is 240 and I got it from Amazon for 182. Link is given in the description box. It is a black color tape and its width is 19 mm. You can use it on wood, metal, stone, plastic, concrete and even on uneven surface. On one side it has already this strong glue. Apply it on the surface and then peel off this red color protective layer. My car's windshield has come off, so let's try it on that. And this tape is also weather resistant, so you can use it both indoor and outdoor. Using it is very easy. Before using, make sure that the surface is clean and dry, and then apply the tape on the entire surface. Remove the protective layer and fix it. And it's stuck so tightly it doesn't even move, so the adhesive of the tape is very strong. This is truly a useful product. Its load bearing capacity is really good, 6.7 kg. Overall, for car interior, metal, wood, wall mounting at 182, this is a solid fix. The direct buying link is given in the description box. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.